Hi friends, my name is Temak Pratiksha. Today's video topic is this and super keywords in Java, and today's date is 27 August 2021. So let's see the this keyword. This is a reserved keyword in Java, that is we can't use it is an identifier. This is used to refer uh, current current class instance, as well as the static member. This can be used in various contexts. For example, refer instance variable of current class to invoke or initiate the current class constructor. Then it is can be passed as an arguments in method call, and then it can be accessed in argument in the constructor call. Then it can be used to return the current class instance. And the next one is the super keyword. Before discussing the super keyword, super is a result keyword in Java, that is we can't use it is an identifier. Super is used to refer super class instance as well as the static members. Super is also used to the call or invoke the super class method or the constructor. And then suppose creating a class of name parent. Then instance the variable, suppose int a equal to 10, then static variable static int b equal to 20. Then creating the second class of child class, and it extends the first one. So class base extends the parent. So void r, creating the method, then void r. Then in sysout the super dot a, and in sysout super dot b. Then in main method, then in main method, new base dot r, and our output is 10 and 20. So let's see the similarities in this and this super keywords. We can use this as well as super anywhere, but we can't use in static area. Example of this is already uh, so we can use this as well as super any number of times in a program, means many times we can use in a program. And let's see the one example. Creating a class parent. In then instance the variables int equal to 36, and static variable static float x is equal to 12.2f. Then second class extends the parent. Void then creating the method void gfg, then super dot a is equal to 1. It means referring the super class, that is the class parent. Then after in system dot out println the println a, then super dot x is equal to 60.3f. Then sys out the x. Then in main method new base parameters dot gfg. So our output is the 1 and 60.3. We can use the super can be used any number of times, but we can use this is as well as super any number of times. But main thing is that we cannot use but we cannot use them inside the static contains. And next one is the and the super keyword is used to the access methods of the parent class. Then while this is used to access the access methods of the current class. Thank you.